Dr. Ralph Quatrano came to Washington University from UNC Chapel Hill in 1998 to chair one of the nation's most highly regarded biology departments as the Spencer T. Olin Professor.
Well, my career has been really sort of aimed at a couple of different foci. One happens to be research, finding out things that no one else knows. The second part was obviously the students, wanting them to take part in that undertaking of other undergraduates and graduate students as well. And I think that was a big factor in motivating me to stay in science and at the university level.
Quatrano earned a Bachelor of Science degree in botany with honors from Colgate University in 1962, a master's degree in botany from Ohio University, Athens in 1964, and his doctorate in biology from Yale University in 1968. Internationally known for his plant science work, Quatrano was one of the earliest investigators to apply the tools of molecular biology to the study of plant gene expression.
When I look at my research career, the challenges are to keep up with the technology. One of the big challenges that we all face, how can I become part of it? How can I become one who's able to use it in the work that I do? That's going to be a way in which we differentiate lots of institutions, lots of individuals, lots of groups, is how well they could manage the fast technology that's happening and how they integrate that into their own program.
Over the course of his career, Quatrano has played an important role in repositioning plant biology as a key science for the future.
I think there's also similar changes in education. How do we present material? How do we teach? How do we interact with students? When I first started lecturing, Google wasn't around, there wasn't the internet, there were just textbooks. Now I think the challenge is how do you convey this information when everyone has that information at their disposal? How do we make that available to students yet give them something on top of that that makes them interested in the field, and not just a bunch of facts?
As president of the American Society of Plant Biologists, he became the first chair of the Public Affairs Committee, testifying regularly before Congress to promote funding of plant science. In 2015, Quatrano was honored with the Leadership Award by the Academy of Science.
Ralph Quatrano has contributed significantly to the advance of Washington University. He's also been instrumental in the development of the region-wide initiative in plant science. Our community owes Ralph Quatrano a great deal.
In 2010, Chancellor Mark Wrighton appointed Quatrano as the Dean of the School of Engineering and Applied Science to design and implement the school's ambitious strategic plan.
Ralph Quatrano was a terrific dean. He fulfilled my very high expectations. He had great relationships with our students, our faculty, our alumni. He worked well with others in the administration.
It is quite clear, looking at the school when Ralph took over, that the school was tremendously positioned to really think about what it meant to elevate itself, get to the next level, and really become the world-class engineering school that a world-class university should have.
Quatrano and his wife Leanne are Elliott Society Life members and support annual and endowed engineering scholarships, as well as the Langsdorff Scholars Program.
Leanne's been my best friend and close partner all through these last 11 years.
Between Leanne and Ralph, they really are the heart and soul of the program, and so now with he and Bobak coming in, it's really exciting to see where the program will go from here.
Building that group of young students has been really successful, and I think more importantly is that it's opened up the opportunity to see how many other Langsdorff fellows that we have out in the community as alums.
As Quatrano adds the Dean's Award to his long list of accomplishments, he is grateful to those who helped inspire and encourage him throughout his transformational journey.
The support of my family was there, but I also thank Mark for having the confidence. I think the support of all the deans that I was working with during those 5 years. Very important were the chairmen in engineering, but in the end it's really how well you interact with the staff and how the staff could really help you.
Ralph is the most deserving of any candidate for the Dean's Medal this year.